Hi kids, today we are going to learn 20 amazing reptiles and crawling animals. Are you ready? Let's go.
This is a snake.
Wow! Snakes have long bodies and no legs. They slither quietly across the ground using strong muscles.
This is a lizard.
Wow! Lizards have scary skin and long tail. They run quickly on rocks, walls, and trees.
Look, it's a crocodile.
Wow! Crocodiles have powerful jaws and strong tails. They live in rivers and are excellent swimmers.
Say hello to the turtle.
Wow! Turtles carry hard shells on their backs. They move slowly and enjoy sunny places.
Here comes the chameleon.
Wow! Chameleons can change their colors to blend in. They catch insects with their long sticky tongues.
This is a king cobra.
Wow! King cobras are very long snakes. They raise their head and spread a hood when they feel threatened.
Look at the sea turtle.
Wow! Sea turtles have large flippers for swimming. They spend most of their lives in the ocean.
Say hi to the frog.
Wow! Frogs crawl when they are young and hop when they grow. They love ponds and make loud croaking sounds.
Here comes the snail.
Wow! Snails carry spiral shells on their backs. They move slowly and leave shiny trails behind.
This is a millipede.
Wow! Millipedes have long bodies with many tiny legs. They curl into a ball when they feel scared.
Look, it's an earthworm.
Wow! Earthworms live underground and help keep the soil healthy. They wiggle through the dirt all day.
Say hello to the leech.
Wow! Leech live in pond and wet places. They have soft bodies and move by stretching and pulling.
This is a slug.
Wow! Slugs look like snails without shells. They crawl slowly on wet leaves and garden paths.
Here comes the termite.
Wow! Termites are tiny insects that live in large colonies. They chew wood and build long tunnels.
Look at the crab.
Wow! Crabs walk sideways with strong claws. They live on beaches and near the sea.
This is a grub.
Wow! Grubs are baby insects with soft white bodies. They grow underground before becoming adult insects.
Say hi to the Komodo Dragon.
Wow! Komodo dragons are the world's largest lizard. They have powerful legs and long tails.
Here comes the skink.
Wow! Skinks have smooth, shiny scales. They move very fast and hide under rocks and logs.
This is a python.
Wow! Pythons are large snakes with beautiful patterns. They quietly wrap around their prey instead of using venom.
Look, it's a scorpion.
Wow! Scorpions have 8 legs, strong claws, and a curved tail with a stinger. They usually come out at night.
This is a spider.
Wow! Spiders spin sticky webs to catch insects. They have 8 legs and move very quietly.
Here comes the alligator.
Wow! Alligators have rough skin and powerful jaws. They swim in rivers and cross slowly onto land.
Great job, little kids. Today we learned about 20 amazing reptiles and crawling animals. Keep learning, keep exploring, and we will see you in the next adventure. Bye-bye.